Hey everyone, this is Chef Michelle Adrillana and I'm back here at Miss Chef where we play with gourmet. Today, because everybody has been in a constant search for something that is going to change their lives, and also because a lot of people are getting sick, I'd like to share with you a new discovery. Sharing a discovery which was recommended to me by a good friend. Actually, I was deeply disturbed by the chief disturber. It's actually a premium chocolate malt, and because of my love for chocolate, I love everything that's chocolate. I love everything that's silly like me, creamy. I'm making something which is called silly chocolate. No, I'm gonna change the name. I actually changed my mind because I don't want you to be confused. I don't want you to think that I'm silly, because I am. So it's gonna be called chili chocolate shake. So it's creamy, it's chocolatey, and it's so good, like me. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna start off. You know how to make a shake, right? You shake your body. No, I'm kidding. So you put the liquid first. Of course, I'm gonna put the milk first. Because you have your blades there, right? Put the ice. A great chef once told me, if you're not confident enough to use your hands, that means your hands are dirty. So this is like 26 grams, which is equivalent to around 200, 250 ml, something like this, like a, you know, the big mug. If you're a beer drinker, which I'm not endorsing it. It's just for reference. So this is 26 grams, 500 ml. So now we're making it to 1.2 to 1.5 liters. And the chilies. But I'm not gonna chop it. You know, I actually figured out something. I learned a new trick. No, actually an old trick, because I'm very tricky. No, I learned a trick for myself because I would normally like chop chilies like crazy. And after that, I tend to like rub my eyes because I tend to forget that I actually just chop chilies. So what I do, but I'm not gonna teach my enemies, okay? My enemies are not supposed to be watching. I'm gonna be cutting it with the scissors. I'm teaching this to my followers, to my friends and my neighbors, but not my enemies. So please, make sure my enemies are not watching. I'm kidding. And I know you think I talk too much, but one more thing exciting about this product, it's that it's Philippines, USA, FDA approved. So before the ice melts, I'm gonna finish my shake first. So I am done with my chili shake and it's starting to melt, so you guys should take it and drink it. Enjoy. And since I don't have a funnel, and not everybody has a funnel at home, it's a DIY funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you don't have a pastry bag, I'm sure you have a plastic bag at home. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it here. Hold on. Ano ba to? Apple lang. Ah, okay, sanay ako. Goes in there. I'm gonna cut it. More like when you're making an icing, right? When you're piping icing. And it's gonna be a bit messy, but it does the trick. See? Of course, you want to make it simple because it's low in calories and glycemic index, so I could actually indulge. Ooh, so you could see the chocolatey goodness, those chili bits in there, and the creaminess. Wow, I'm so excited to try it. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes like. I'm sure I'm not gonna regret it. I could get used to it. It's starting to melt. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. So, I'm so excited to try it. I can't wait.
How is it?
It kicked me. I want to kick it back. No, I'm kidding. It's so good. For chili lovers like me, it's gonna make you cry. This is tears of joy. Tears of joy for my new discovery. I don't regret a bit that I actually tried this out. this one is the Treasure Swiss Premium Chocolate Malt Rich Cocoa Blend. For those of you who want to try it out, you could check out ZEROCAL.LIFE on Instagram and Facebook. And of course, Chef Michelle, Adrillana, and Miss Chef, FB and IG. Once again, this has been Miss Chef. Let's play with gourmet. See you next time.